Hey everybody, we are back in Lake Las Vegas. We absolutely love this area. The community is so cute. This property we're at is 45 Moltrasio. It's 900,000. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2,500 square feet.
This home is located in a gated community. It's actually located inside of the cul-de-sac. So you have a large driveway into your 2-car garage, and it has a beautiful backyard.
Yes, you're absolutely going to love the backyard. It's almost 11,000 square feet. So it's great for entertaining. You can also put a pool back here as well. So we're going to go ahead and show you the video. Enjoy.
We're at 45 Moltrasio Lane in Lake Las Vegas. This property is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It is a single story. It does have high ceilings. It's a great property. It has almost 11,000 square feet of backyard with a putting green. Here's part of the backyard. We're going to go over there in a minute, but I wanted to show you the views. Has a view of the lake. So when they have events like fireworks, you'll definitely be able to see it. Look how pretty that is. This is the neighborhood. So nice, it's so quiet. So this is the garage over here. Has pavers in the driveway. So you could probably put about 4 cars side by side through here. It's a 2-car garage inside. It does have desert landscaping. And here's the entryway. So pretty. And the rock on the outside. This elevation is so nice. Tall door. Definitely use your own decorating. We're gonna go inside, take a look.
So I hope you enjoyed that video and love that backyard. You definitely can entertain out there or even enjoy a glass of wine and also use the putting green for your friends and family.
You can also take a look at Lake Las Vegas, which has a beautiful golf course here. There's also a village out here with amazing restaurants and a small little grocery store.
Yes, exactly. So we're going to go ahead and recap. This property is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a great backyard, and at $900,000. You're definitely going to love it out here in Lake Las Vegas. If you want to know information about this property or anything else, our information's right here. You can call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.